Hey, Jason here from Simply Swider. If your Maytag washer is displaying a CL code on the screen, don't panic. This is actually one of the easier issues to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the three most common causes and show you step-by-step solutions that take just minutes to complete. Good news is, this is usually not a big repair at all. Before we get started, if you run into any questions, jump into our Facebook group. Links in the description. We've got thousands of people helping each other fix their appliances, and I pop in there daily to help out. So the most common CL code you're going to see is actually just your washer being helpful. It's reminding you to clean the machine itself. This happens after about 30 wash cycles on most Maytag front load washers. Your display shows CL and the washer is basically saying, hey, time to give me a bath. Here's the thing about these front loaders. They trap moisture and detergent residue, and if you don't clean them regularly, they start smelling funky. Trust me on this one. Here's the step-by-step fix. First, remove all clothes and close the door. Drop one Affresh tablet directly into the empty drum, not the dispenser. If you don't have Affresh tablets, pour exactly 1 cup of liquid chlorine bleach into the bleach dispenser only. Now press the clean washer cycle button and hit start. This cycle takes about 1 hour to complete. After that's done, run a quick rinse and spin cycle to get rid of any leftover residue. The CL code will disappear once the clean cycle finishes. Now, if your washer is showing CL, LO, or LC and none of your buttons are working, you've got the control lock feature turned on. This is actually a safety feature to prevent kids from messing with your wash settings or accidentally starting the machine. I had a customer last week call me in a panic because her washer was completely broken. Turns out her toddler had been playing with the buttons and activated the lock. You'll know this is your problem because the display shows one of those codes, and when you try to press any buttons, nothing happens. Here's the quick fix. Look for a button labeled Control Lock or a lock symbol on your control panel. Press and hold this button for exactly 5 seconds until you hear a beep or see the display change. If you don't see a dedicated control lock button, check above or below other buttons like end of cycle signal or steam. The control lock text might be printed there as a secondary function. Just look for the control lock label somewhere on your panel and hold that sucker down until the code disappears and your controls start working again. Sometimes that CL code just gets stuck on your display even after you've tried running the clean cycle or disabling the control lock. This usually means your washer's computer brain needs a little kick in the pants. I see this happen when there's been a power surge or the cycle got interrupted somehow. You'll know this is your issue if the code won't clear no matter what you try with the normal fixes. Here's the reset process. First, make sure the washer has finished any current cycle for safety. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and wait exactly 5 minutes. This allows the control board to fully reset. While waiting, check that the door seal area is clean and the door closes completely without obstruction. After 5 minutes, plug it back in and the CL code should be gone. After 5 minutes, plug it back in and see if the code's gone. If your model has a pause or cancel button, you can also try pressing pause twice. Then the power button wants to force a reset. Most of the time, this clears up any lingering electronic hiccups. All right, so the CL code on your Maytag washer actually means two different things depending on your exact model. It could be a clean reminder telling you it's time to run a maintenance cycle, or it could mean your control lock is activated. I'm going to walk you through the most common scenarios, starting with the simplest fixes and working our way through everything you need to know. The cleaning reminder fix costs about $10 for a 6 pack of Affresh tablets. Compare that to a $150 service call. You can find these at any grocery store, Home Depot, or Amazon with next day delivery. Each tablet cleans your washer once, so you're getting 6 months of maintenance for $10. This is literally the easiest appliance fix you'll ever do. Just toss one tablet in your empty drum and run the clean cycle. Way cheaper than calling someone like me out to tell you the same thing. Some people try to use regular bleach instead, and that works too, but the Affresh tablets are designed specifically for these machines, and they do a better job getting all the buildup out. If your control lock button isn't responding or seems physically stuck, you might be looking at a control panel issue. The good news is most of the time it's just a software glitch, and the reset we talked about earlier will fix it. But if the actual button is broken or cracked, you're looking at replacing the whole control panel, which can run anywhere from 50 to 150 depending on your model. Before you go down that road, though, make sure you've tried the power reset and double check that you're holding the right button for the right amount of time. I can't tell you how many service calls I've been on where the broken control panel just needed someone to read the manual. You can see on the screen right now the most common Maytag models that display these CL codes. Take a look. You might even spot your own model number up there. The clean reminder feature is pretty standard on most Maytag front load washers made in the last several years, and the control lock is on just about every model they make. Don't worry about memorizing all those model numbers. Just know that if you've got a Maytag washer, especially a front loader, these fixes are going to work for you. That's how you tackle the Maytag CL code, whether it's asking for a cleaning or telling you the controls are locked. Run through these solutions in order and you'll have it sorted out in no time. Remember, the CL code isn't usually a sign that anything's broken. It's just your washer trying to help you keep it running smoothly. If you guys know someone who's having appliance troubles, please send them the link to this video or a link to my channel where I have tons of other videos showing how to fix pretty common issues with appliances, sometimes for free or as little cost as possible. It sure beats having a repairman come out and spending several hundred for them to fix it when it could be something so simple. Before you go, which solution worked for your CL code? Drop a comment below with your washer model and which fix did the trick. This helps other viewers with the same problem find the right solution faster. If I saved you a service call today, hit that like button and subscribe for more money saving appliance fixes. We'll get this out to more folks who need to save some time and money. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.